So we're working on the T190 skid steer today, and we've got a cylinder that's leaking over here. That cylinder right there that tilts the bucket's leaking out the bottom, so we're going to remove that cylinder. So what we're going to do first is we got a 9/16 bolt down here holding this pin in on the bottom of the cylinder. Take this bolt out. Just like that, and put it back together so we don't lose it. Like that. Now we'll see if we can knock this pin out. Oh yeah, there it comes. And take that pin out. And up here, got a 24 millimeter. Take this bolt out. Set to the side. And we'll just take these two hoses, hydraulic hoses off. One there and one right there. Just take these hydraulic hoses off. That had a little pressure on it. Okay. And we got one more right here we got to get. Right there. Take this other hose off. These are two different sizes, so you can't screw them up. This is a big one. And then the one down here, that's a smaller one. That way you can't get them backwards. Just take this one off like that. And then all we gotta do is that sitting on the bushing right there, is we'll just pick it up and lift it off. We'll just push that arm up in there. And slide the whole thing off. There we go. Right like that. Alright, so that's it right there. So if you grease your machines and grease all your pins and all your fittings, everything will come apart real easy. If you maintain your equipment, if you don't grease these and they seize up, it's a bear to get this stuff off. But this guy takes really good care of his machinery, and he keeps everything greased, so that was a breeze. So we'll take this to the hydraulic shop, get it rebuilt, bring it back, and put it back on, and it'll be just good as new.